proud to announce to everyone that Macadamia Elementary School from the past up to now continues spreading its wings and still soaring high in excellence. With that, welcome to Macadamia Elementary School 100th founding anniversary. Good morning, Ma'am Michelle.
Good morning, sir. I am very honored to be your co-MC for this very momentous event, sir. Thank you very much.
The pleasure is mine, Madam Michelle. Okay, to start off, let us welcome the second class to lead us to a prayer through a doxology under the training of Madam Joy and Madam Pinky. Let's give them a big round of applause.